Welcome to the EWS Orion data portal. My name is Aaron and I'm an Envirotech at E.W.S. And in this video I'm going to run you through some of the quality of life features that the map screen has to offer. As expected, the map screen will navigate with click and hold to drag the map around, scroll to zoom, and double clicking on a number takes us to the devices in that area. By clicking on the magnifier icon on the left, we can search for specific devices by name, and then click on the view icon next to the device name, and then it will automatically fly to that location. Clicking on the device gives us an expandable list of channels with their corresponding graphs. And using the expansion icon, we can now open up a mini dashboard. Using the timeline bar at the top, we can expand the amount of data shown or drag it backwards and forwards through the timeline. By clicking the View Sensor Data icon, we can get the data displayed as a list and export it to Excel using the export icon at the top. We can even navigate directly to the sensor and device page with the Go To Sensor icon. It's even possible to open the dashboard into edit mode and change the way it looks. For example, if we want to change this graph to a windrows, we just expand the channel, hit Edit Dashboard, change the graph type to windrows, select the wind speed and direction, then close the edit window and save dashboard. The graph is then changed to a windrows and allows us to view the wind direction and speed together on one graph. By closing out of the graph and updating the channel, we can see it updated in the channel list as well. I hope you enjoyed the short video on Orion's map features. Check back in on E.W.S YouTube channel for more videos and how-tos on interacting with our products.